Hello, today we will guide you through how to create journal in Xero. In this video, we'll walk through creating a manual journal from start to finish, explain what each field means, and share a few tips so you post it with confidence. Begin on your Xero dashboard for the organization you want to work in. At the top right, look for the plus icon. This is Xero's Quick Create menu. Click it to open the list of actions, then choose Manual Journal. This takes you to the journal entry screen where you'll build the transaction. Start by entering a clear narration. Think of this as the headline for the journal. It should briefly answer what this entry is for, such as month-end accruals or reclassifications. Good narration makes future reviews and audits much easier. Next, set the date. Choose the accounting date that the journal should affect. Make sure it falls in the correct period and that the period is open. If your organization has reporting cutoffs, verify that the date matches those guidelines. Move to the description field for the first line. This is where you add detail about the specific line item, such as which expense or balance you're adjusting. Keep it specific enough that someone else could understand it without digging for more context. Select the account for the line. Pick the correct general ledger account based on your chart of accounts. Using the right account code is key to accurate financial statements, so double check you're not posting to a summary or control account unless that's intended. If your organization tracks regions or similar categories, choose the appropriate region. This ensures the journal is included in tracking reports and helps with departmental or regional analysis. If you're unsure which region to use, follow your internal coding guidelines. Enter the debit amount in the debit field, shown here in USD. Then, on another line, enter the corresponding credit amount so the journal balances. Debits and credits must net to zero for Xero to allow posting. If tax settings appear, confirm whether tax should be applied. Manual journals are often set to no tax, but follow your policy. Review the entire journal, confirm the narration and date, scan line descriptions, verify accounts and regions, and ensure the total debits equal total credits. Accuracy here saves time later. When everything looks right, click Post to finalize the journal. Posting commits it to the ledger and updates your reports immediately. That's it. You've created a manual journal in Xero.